Hey guys, gonna do a little shorty here. Look at the smoke ring on this. You know, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna go into my sauces. Look, I got teriyaki. I got apple cider vinegar. I got honey mustard. Look, I got homemade whiskey sauce. See, guys, you got to do the real thing. You know. So I'm gonna look at this. This is called our pulled pork buffalo. Look at that. All right, dip that in some sauce. Jesus, should be illegal. Beautiful. Throw some sauce on it. Maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of whiskey molasses sauce. Look at that. Tender, juicy, beautiful. Mm. Can you guys see this through the camera? Falling apart. Oh my God, huh? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat that whole thing. Go ahead, eat it with your eyes, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Take care.